Welcome back to Design Guy. Quote, by the end, you'll know how to design eye-catching posters with Canva's coolest features. Click Create, then type Poster. Select Landscape Poster to start. Next, go to Elements and search for Image. Choose Photos from the options to find pictures for your design. This sets up your workspace for adding visuals to your landscape poster project in the tutorial. Use this photo to create a background image. Open your design tool, import the photo, adjust the size, and set it as the background layer. First, resize the photo to reduce its size. Then create a duplicate for further editing or comparison. Click Edit, then go to Filters. Select the Tomb filter, then choose the white image. This applies the filter to your selection, merging the changes smoothly. Make sure the white image is highlighted before proceeding to ensure the effect is correctly applied. Continue editing or save your work once the filter is set. Next, select the image, then right-click and choose Send to Back to place it behind other elements. Click the Crop tool, then select the image you want to crop. Adjust the crop area as needed, and apply the crop to remove unwanted parts of the image, refining its appearance quickly and easily. Click Done to finalize your changes and exit the current view, saving your progress automatically. This completes the setup process, allowing you to proceed with your next task confidently and efficiently within the software. Here is the image. To add shadow effects, click Edit, then select Effects. Choose Shadow, then click See All to view more options. Select Page Lift, then adjust the distance to your preference. You can increase or decrease the shadow distance to create the desired effect. Experiment with the settings until the shadow looks right. This technique adds depth and dimension to your image, making it stand out. Use these shadow effects to enhance your design and give it a polished professional appearance. Remember to save your changes when you're satisfied. The intensity is set to match the chair's color perfectly. Adjust the intensity slider until the match is accurate. This ensures a seamless integration of effects with your footage. Fine-tuning the intensity creates a more realistic and polished final result in your project. Next, let's add a background color to this element. First, select the object you want to modify. Then, locate the color palette or background settings in your toolbar. Click on the background color option to open the color picker. Choose the desired color by clicking on it, or enter a specific color code for precision. Once you've selected the color, the background will update instantly. You can experiment with different shades to find the perfect look. Remember to save your changes to apply the new background color permanently. This simple step enhances your design's visual appeal effectively and quickly. This will be our modern text. To start, select the text box and type your content. Next, highlight the text and choose a modern font from the font drop-down menu. Adjust the size and color to fit your design. Use the alignment tools to center or position the text as needed. Finally, review your changes and save your project to preserve your modern text styling. This is our modern poster design. First, select the text to change the font to something more suitable. Next, adjust the font size to make the text smaller for better balance. You can experiment with different fonts to find the perfect match. After resizing, check the overall layout to ensure the design looks cohesive. Remember, spacing and alignment are crucial for a polished look. Finally, save your design and review it to confirm the changes. This approach creates a clean, modern poster with clear, readable text that stands out effectively. Click Share, then select Download. Before downloading, increase the size to improve quality. You can also delete this page if needed. Additionally, choose the option to save your work as a PDF for easy sharing and printing. These steps help you customize and finalize your document efficiently. Select print settings for the best quality output before starting the print job. Now you know how to create a modern poster in Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tips.